Morning everyone, welcome to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Today we're at the media event for Iron Gwazi. So we're here to check out this, the new coaster that we've all been waiting for. Been waiting a very long time for this to open and the day is finally here. So let's go in, let's check out Iron Gwazi. I'm going to walk you through the queue and then we're going to go on the ride. So let's go and see just how good Iron Gwazi is. Okay, so let's do a quick walkthrough. So you've got the wait time on the front right there, underneath the Iron Gwazi sign. You're going to come through. Past all this, you've got a quick queue ticket machine right here. You keep coming, you're going to come towards the entrance and the lockers. A bit of information on the side there for you to read while you wait. Coming through, ride locker rental, lockers to this side right here. Then you're going to join the queue. Okay, so then on busy days you're going to come through, you know, you're going to queue up as in the normal queuing system. Walk through, there's some vibrant colours here for Iron Gwazi. So you follow it through, down this little corridor, all nice wood, all the way along. You're going to come around. Wilderness Foundation, there's quite a few of these posters kicking about either side of the ride. No smoking, no vaping, emergency exit doors at the end. Another conservation poster right there. You're going to come around. And then you've got more queue just to your right. There's some more reading material right here. So when you're in the queue, you can read along, you know, take some pictures of them, etc. You can do all of that, that's perfectly fine. Lion, leopard, crocodile. Did you know about apex predators? So there's that to read. You come through the queue. You're going to follow it all the way around. These bins obviously won't be here at the time. Okay, so then just underneath the ride, there's more outdoor space here where also you're going to queue. And then you're going to come around and you're going to come up here and follow it towards the big hut at the very top. So you're going to come around. Obviously on hotter days it's going to be quite intense out here, so bear that in mind. But you're going to come up and around, you're going to come through these little huts. No climbing. Information on alligators and crocodiles, you're going to follow it up. Keep coming. Plenty of greenery and stuff. You can see the coaster just through here. Then you're going to carry on coming, more information, original Gwazi, Iron Gwazi. You're going to keep coming around, more stuff there for you to read. Iron Gwazi's 3 inversions, top speed of 76 miles per hour. You're going to come up and eventually you're going to get to the ride station. You're going to carry on coming up and as you can see, there's quite a lot of queues to get through. But when you're on this side, obviously you're going to get to see Iron Gwazi go up the hill. Keep coming round, you're going to join this queue. When you get to the front over there, you'll be told what queue to go into. You're going to join the queue and then you're going to jump onto the ride. So what you've got with Iron Gwazi is the world's fastest and steepest hybrid coaster. 76 mile an hour top speed, 91 degree inversion drop at the very beginning, the highest point 206 feet, 12 airtime moments, travels more than 4,000 feet of track with 3 inversions. What is it? That's a lot of work. my word. Oh, there's one hang on to. Come on. Wow. Wow. The amount of air time I got coming up there though. Yeah, off my seat. Literally off my seat. Wow. Oh, mate, that's, wow, that's intense, that mate.
Guys, you're not 12 down, that's probably got on this.
Oh yeah. But guys, that's going to do it from here at Iron Gwazi at Busch Gardens. Huge thank you for following along. I really appreciate it. Don't forget you can follow us on Twitter and Instagram to see all the behind the scenes. There may be a behind the scenes from this video right here. But thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn on those notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.